All right, we got people following. Again, if you're just coming in, make sure you share this right now so we can get people in here. Welcome, happy Tuesday to you. Great chat on Twitter earlier. Yeah, you said it, Rick. We had an all-time epic rant. I was on the bike working out while I was doing it. I put in an excellent workout. I didn't even feel like I was going. I was so fired up. For you guys that don't follow me on Twitter, of course, go over there and do so. But we had a good rant about just using negative energy and kind of taking it as positive energy. A good friend of mine, Etienne Cret, does a podcast, Desire to Trade. There goes a shameless promotion for you, Desire to Trade. And he shared on Twitter a negative comment that he get. And he was like, you know, if you've been following me for any time now, whenever I get a negative comment, guys, just got one right now. Whenever I got a negative comment, I try to switch it into something positive. I say, hey, celebrate that dislike on your video. Celebrate that negative comment. Because if you see my rants before, you know, we talk about how haters, if you want to call them that, only hate because you're doing something they want to do. So it's actually a comment, or compliment, I should say. It's actually a compliment when someone says something bad about you. But today, I wanted to talk about a different form of support and resistance. And this is a topic that's kind of been brewing since yesterday. A good friend of mine came over. Well, I would hope, man, there's tons of people that are negative. Go ahead and check my YouTube channel under the, what is it called? Under the Q&A session. It's this guy that's been commenting for a while now and just he thinks he's saying positive things, but it comes out negatively. So I've been trying to talk to him saying that, hey, I think your message is good. I think your message is good. You want to inspire, just going about it the wrong way, but I'm not sure he wants to hear it. Hey, all you can do is put out the message. If people want to take it, they take it. But a friend of mine came over. This was actually the guy that introduced me into Forex trading. I was a stock investor beforehand. He came over, and this is someone that once upon a time, hey, well done. Once upon a time, we were supposed to take over the trading world. You know, he was more of a systems trader on the mechanical side of things. I was obviously Fibonacci, structure, advanced patterns like that. And we were supposed to handle both sides of it and really become like a trade in power to East. And unfortunately, this particular trader didn't stay motivated, didn't take action and do what he was supposed to do, and ended up not following through with it. And we had a conversation yesterday because he's really lost a lot of that desire. And one of the things that came up as we were evaluating a situation was that his wife is not very supportive of what he does, and that kind of drags him down. He has all these great ideas. He wants to do this, wants to do that, and every time he runs the idea by his wife, she's like, well, do you really want to do that? It's probably too hard. You're probably not going to fail. A lot of negative energy. And I had the same conversation with a fellow trader on YouTube yesterday as well, saying that, hey, he's interested in the 12-week transformation course. He wants to sign up in August. He's got some money that he's ready to start trading with. However, he doesn't feel as if he has the support of his wife to do so. And I said, it's very important because, you know, in trading, you're going to have a lot of support and resistance. Obviously, support are the people that have your back, that give you that positive energy, that want to see you do good. Resistance are those who want to hold you back. Again, there's two types of people, guys, two types of people. Write this down. There are the people that reach up because they want a helping hand. They want you to pull them up with you and take you to those higher places of success. And they're the people that reach up to try and pull you down to where they're at. You know, misery loves company. They are comfortable being in a comfortable setting. They don't like seeing other people succeed. So they reach out, pretend like they're trying to help you out, and they pull you down because they don't want to see you be successful, because that means they have to do something about their lives. And during your trading process, your trading journey, I should say, you're going to find more people that are resistance than those that are support. And you've got to really, and this is why we celebrate, we call it hater fuel. Haters fuel me. This is why we celebrate the negative energy, because it can get really depressing. Have any of you guys ever had a person that told you, you know, hey, trading is crazy, it's stupid, it's gambling, why are you investing money, it's a scam? Give me a comment, give me a yes if that's ever been you. Yeah. All the time. And it's pretty depressing. You know, you add that to the fact that as traders, you know, we go through drawdowns. It's a tough journey, guys. It is tough. And there are dark periods, right, where we just sit back and we're like, man, I suck. I can't do this. I'm not smart enough. I didn't go to school for this. This isn't for me. right? Those dark periods of time where we all feel like quitting. And you combine that type of trading depression with all the negative energy pushing you down. And that's what causes a lot of traders to quit on their goals, quit on their life, their life goals, I should say it like that. So you want to go in with a positive mindset. You need to find that support of someone, whether it's a mother, a father, a sister, a brother, a wife. You guys do a great job. I know we had a few people sign up for the 12-week transformation the other day, and every time someone signs up, they just blast it on Twitter like, hey, welcome Brandon to the 12-week transformation, woo! And it gets like 50 retweets. It's crazy. These are even people that aren't in the training course, but it's cool to see that energy. It makes you feel welcomed. It makes you feel like you have that support system, which is very important. Again, one of the biggest stories I like to tell is a few years ago. This is after I've become a consistently profitable trader. A few years ago, me and a good friend of mine who was in my live trading room, Lax, right? We went through a massive drawdown. I was at about a 13 trade losing streak. He was at about 17. And I'm sitting back like, man, maybe I'm not that good. Maybe I just got lucky for all of those years. Go to tradingpower.com. Just hit the products and services tab. You can get information on the training course. But I'm like, man, maybe I'm not that good. And, Lax was there. He's like, hey, Akil, what are you up to? I'm like, man, I just lost 13 trades in a row. He's like, well, guess what? I said, what's that? I lost 17. Bang. And it was a deep, depressing time for us. But because we were supporting each other in kind of that joking way, we were able to trade through that drawdown and end the month a little bit profitable. Anything's better than a drawdown. So you need that support. It doesn't have to be in the form of a training course or a live room. Although as someone who runs a training course in a live room, that would be ideal. I think we have the best community out there as far as traders. They're very supportive. But even on Twitter, stay out of trading forums, but even on Twitter, surround yourself with positive energy. Surround yourself with people that are going to uplift you when you're down, because we all have those down days, right? We all hit that resistance, but you got to break through it. You got to break through it. And all it takes is one retweet, one person responding to you and saying, hey, buddy, it's all right, man. I had a rough day today as well, to be like, oh, it's just not me. And let those people uplift you. Surround yourself with positive energy. If there is negative energy out there, for you guys that are on social media, you see a lot of it. If you're in trading forums, get out of there, but you're going to see a lot of it there as well. If you're around negative energy, you got to flip it as something positive. Remember, people only give you negative energy when they want to achieve something that you have achieved. So if you get someone that is being negative, take that as a positive. Hey, I'm doing something good. I'm doing something that has caused someone else to be envious, right? Because do we ever hate on people that we don't want to duplicate, right? I hate using this example, but have you ever seen like a bum on the street? I'm from Philly, so I saw it every day. You ever see a bum on the street and you're sitting back like, man, stupid bum, I wish I could be him. I wish I could have my shopping cart full of clothes and blah, blah. No, we don't do that, right? We hate on the people that are driving the yellow Lamborghini with the top down, with the pretty ladies in the back. Oh, must be nice. Who does he think he is? Right? The only reason we give off that negative energy is because deep down, we feel guilty that we haven't been able to achieve that. That's the only reason. Deep down, it's something we want. And instead of accepting and saying, man, what am I going to do to get that? Instead of taking all that energy and saying, what am I going to do to achieve that? We're taking that energy and making excuses for it. Oh, must be nice. I bet he's scamming people out of money. Oh, I bet he's dealing drugs or taking advantage of old ladies. Come on. Instead of hating on that person, go over to that Lamborghini, knock on that door and say, hey, I just want to know what you do for a living. And how can I do the same thing? Learn from that. Learn from that. So that's support and resistance in a different way. It's not the trading support and resistance, but it's the support and resistance of people that are going to support you in your trading journey, and people that are going to be like resistance levels that bang you in the head. Got a lot of sarcasm after I blew up my account. Celebrate that, man. I've blown multiple accounts. Has anyone here ever blown an account? Give me a yes. If you've ever blown, and not all the way, but you've lost a significant amount of money. Give me a yes if you've blown an account or lost a significant amount of money trading. Look at that. Yes. Give me more. Give me more. Yes. Yes. 9 years. Yes. 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 You're not the only one. I lost 50%. Boom. You're not the only one. Surround yourself around those people that have done it before. For that guy who said, hey, 9 years, and then finally made that jump to get good, right? Don't be mad at him for getting good. Ask him, hey, what did you, what was the difference? What did you change? What allowed you to make that jump from blowing an account to being consistently profitable? What did you do? I'm sorry I keep checking my watch. I got an appointment with my financial advisor in about 15 minutes. Going to Panera Bread. Chose a healthier option. Trader community. Yeah, no, and again, it's not even about, obviously, as a salesperson, I should be like, hey, buy my course. But it's not even about that, guys. Surround yourself with positive energy. Follow the people that follow me on Twitter, right? If you see someone on my Twitter feed retweeting something positive, follow them. You want to bring that into your life just to give you that positive mental state. Again, I love seeing we had Brandon sign up yesterday, and he's like, yeah, man, 12-week transformation, let's go. Bunch of other people, yeah, welcome, let's go. Woo, 2016 is going to be awesome. Fire, flexing emojis and whatnot. It's just an awesome power. And it gets you motivated. I know it gets me motivated. I'm sitting back like, man, I should do some testing or something. I should do something that all these people are getting pumped up. I should get pumped up. Let's go. So do that. So that's it. Again, if you want to, we lit Twitter on fire this morning, so check my Twitter feed for that. Also, if you want to see some good conversation, check out the comments under the Q&A video I did. That's what I spent this morning doing on the bike, responding to negativity on the internet, using it to fuel my fire and win each day. So I'll see you guys next time. Again, share this. I don't post all of these to YouTube. If you want me to post it to YouTube, that way it doesn't expire in 24 hours. Just send me a tweet or give me a like on Facebook or a message on Facebook, Google+, whatever, and just say, hey, Akil, can you upload this to YouTube? And if there's enough response, I certainly will. But remember, do your part. Share this with a trader. Spread this knowledge, spread this love, spread this motivation. Inspire, motivate, and empower. Even if it's just touching one person. That one person could touch another one person. You could touch another one person. And before you know it, we've got a cycle of success rolling. So I'll see you guys next time. Until then, plan your trade, trade your plan. See you next time.